A recent letter to our local newspaper challenged the church's teaching against physician-assisted suicide. In response, an email came to me from a family well qualified to support the church's position. Let me read it to you. My wife, Sue, is suffering from a rare, relentless, and prolonged neurodegenerative disease called possible multiple system atrophy. It's termed possible because it cannot be confirmed definitively until after death. I and Sue know whereof we speak and vigorously oppose state-sponsored doctor-assisted suicide. Among the serious flaws in Mr. Smith's arguments is the fact that the definition of terminal in these so-called aid in dying acts is arbitrary, and once one buys into all of the other specious arguments, we must ask the following question as a matter of a bizarre sense of fairness. How can it possibly be fair and just to tell a person who has 6 months to live in great pain and suffering that the state supports aid in dying for him or her, but to tell the person who has 6 to 10 years to live with great pain and suffering that the state does not similarly support aid in dying for him or for her? Mr. Smith should also take heed of the United Kingdom cases of Omid, who is suffering from MSA, and now is raising this exact question as he petitions to be allowed to take his life, and Bob Jones, who has a motor neuron disease and has joined as a plaintiff in Omid's case. The slippery slope is alive and well. Thankfully, through God's grace, Sue and I believe in the redemptive power of human suffering, not only for one's own self, but for others who share the natural end-of-life experience. Thank you for that testimony.